Out here at the river, figured I'd, dang, first cast almost had one. Oh wow, I really wanted to try out this rage swimmer, but I think where I was trying to fish it, either too much pressure or just bad conditions. That's wild. I almost had one on the first friggin' cast. First cast out here all day. I saw a bunch of structure under the water right here. So I was like, yeah, I got to. Alright. Oh, never mind. Thought I had one. There we go. Had to get something on the board today. Come on now. Decent little warmouth. Trying to stab me with its spines. There we go. Back off into the deep. Awesome. There goes a little snake right there. I saw it swimming across and I was like, hey, maybe I can get it on camera. I'm heading back up to a spot that I was at a couple weeks back. I'm probably gonna go past it today because don't really have any reason not to. But yeah, when I was trying to fish for catfish with creek chubs, I ended up catching a bass right here. So I'm gonna give it another try with this Strike King Rage Swimmer. See what it does. Slowly getting to my destination. Finally got something. There's a couple people rolling through too, but oh well. It's a good bass. Yeah, good sized bass. Yeah. Oh man, he is fighting. Try to coax him in gently. There we go. I knew they were eating a little. Not a bad size one. There we go. I got me a largemouth with it. Finally got something with it. One's a little feisty. I would be too if somebody hooked me in the mouth. Geez, that popped off really easy like that. Cool. Brown one, now a green one. I'm gonna let this guy go too. They kind of just slowly swam off. Cool. I should have had the camera rolling, but been trying to conserve battery life. Oh, I just dropped my reel in mucky water. It's okay. I'll rinse it off in a little bit cleaner mucky water. Doesn't throw the hook. Oh, that's wild. A big old bluegill. Try to snatch it up. Well, not big, but little old bluegill try to snatch it up. I gotta get to moving because if I don't, I'm gonna have problems. Because I'm right next to the spot where I flipped and I'm fishing right before it. Man, these fish don't know what they want. Start throwing the small little crappie jig, I catch a big old bass. Start throwing the big old bass jig, end up catching a friggin' bluegill. So confusing. I think I'm gonna stop off at this little spot too for a little bit because it looks kind of promising. I'm about ready to head home, but I don't know. Y'all know how one more cast goes. One more cast could last friggin' forever and a day. I'll pop back in if I catch anything. Right here between these little rocks and these reeds. Looks promising. I just saw some fish jumping right there. I don't know how far I'm gonna go up, but I'm kinda burnt out on today already. It's really windy. Front row parking. Oh yeah. This is looking real good all through right here. Got a little bit of current right there. Jeez. Couldn't ask for a better spot. You could ask for less bird's nests. That would be on my Christmas shopping list. Oh, that's so annoying. But part of it's me. I got it set so I can cast farther. That's gotta be a bass. I was gonna say, as hard as it's fighting. It's not a giant one, but he's a fighter. Nice little smallmouth. Like I was saying earlier, I think they're eating small. They're thick too. I'll let it go. There we go. Yeah, everybody's been kind of having a hard time catching fish today that I've talked to. I think it's too big a bait. Why are you not casting properly? That's something trying to get it. Oh, there's gunk on the islet, or there was. Oh, there still is. Goodbye. Stop causing me problems. Gee whiz. This is one of them days today. Or it's turning into one of them days. There we go, got another one. I don't know what it is. Oh, that's something small. Little warmouth. Little tiny one. Barely hooked too. That's a bait fish right there. That was, it smashed it for a second. There we go. Am I recording still? Alright. That's a good sized bass. He gulped it too. Oh. Oh, come on. I knew it was going to do that. Oh, come on, man. Work with me here. Oh, you're trying to get me hooked. There we go. That's a nicer one. It's the biggest bass I've caught, or biggest largemouth I've caught today. He swam right under the kayak after I released him. And use the rock to give me a little bit more momentum away from the ledge. Pop me right back out where I need to be to go fishing. So much more peaceful. The bugs will stay off of me. Ooh, whatever that was, it snatched it quick. Huh. Little sunfish. This one's turning into the new Igor. She's getting all tore up. There we go. Another bass. No, that's just a really good crappie, or warmouth. Good Lord. That ain't gonna help you at all. There we go. Got it out of it. There we go. That's something. That's fighting good too. Oh, that's another good bass. Ooh, he spit it. There we go. Wonder what that is. Looking like a bass. Either that or a really big crappie. I am recording, right? Yes. Alright, I think this might be a really good crappie. No, I think it's a big old bass. Oh, come on, stay on there. He'll tuck her out eventually. Oh man. He almost tried to get me off using the front of my kayak. This one's pretty too. So it's just a fighter. That Bobby Garland jig. Got me another one. Got him by the lip that time. It's not a bad one. Not at all. Well, that's an 8 in size. Cool. Igor strikes again. This one is completely destroyed. Yeah, there ain't even no fishing with it anymore. I gotta swap it out for something else. I think I'm gonna call it at that last one. Y'all have a great weekend. Stay safe. See you next time.